two, check, check one, two.
Namaste, Sitaram to all. Welcome to each and every one. My name is Renuka Sitram. And on behalf of the Shivagana organization, Pandit Simbudat Misir Ashram, Campus Shiva Mandir, located right here in Mount Pleasant Road, Kunupia, I would like to extend a warm and pleasant welcome to each and every one of you here today to our Sri Bal Krishna Leela, where we enact the childhood days of our Bhagwan Sri Krishna, an avatar of Lord Vishnu. I invite you to enjoy and join in our celebrations today. Sitaram.
प्रेम से बोलो श्री कृष्ण भगवान की जय. Beautiful welcome there. Let us now all bring our mind to that beautiful form of Bhagwan as we do Vandana. Let us all clasp hands, close eyes and bow heads. Om Sumukha Shachai Ekadanta Kapilo Gajakarnaka Lambodara Shavikato Vignashayo Vinayaka Dhumraketur Gajan Dhyayaksho Balchandra Gajanana Dvadashaitani Namaniya Pathe Churchunyuyad Vidyarambe Vivahe Cha Pravashe Nirgame Tata Sangrame Sankate Chayava Vignatasya na chayate Vignatasya na chayate Om Vasudeva Sudam Devam Kamsachanuramardanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagat Guru Om Mokam Karoti Vachalam Pangum Langhete Girim Yakrpatamaham Vande Paramanandamamadhava Om Sarvamangalamangalye Shive Sarvat Sadhike Sharani Trayambike Gauri Narayani Namastute Om Kapura Gauram Karunavataram Sangasara Sarang Bhujagendraharam Sada Vasantam Hirdayarvinde Bhavam Bhavani Sahitam Namami Hari Om Tat Sat. प्रेम से बोलो श्री कृष्ण भगवान की जय. प्रेम से बोलो प्रभु श्री रामचंद्र की जय. प्रेम से बोलो उमापति महादेव की जय.
And now we have obeisance to Lord Ganesh in the form of dance. Mangalam Ganesham.
देवा गणपति देवा मंगलम गणेशम. देवा हो देवा गणपति देवा मंगलम गणेशम. देवा हो देवा गणपति देवा मंगलम गणेशम. देवा हो गणेशम् विघ्न विनाशक जन सुखदायक विघ्न विनाशक जन सुखदायक मंगलम गणेशा देवा हो देवा गणपति देवा मंगलम गणेशम् देवा हो देवा गणपति देवा मंगलम गणेशम् विघ्न विनाशक जन सुखदायक विघ्न विनाशक जन सुखदायक मंगलम गणेश देवा हो देवा गणपति देवा मंगलम गणेशम् देवा हो देवा गणपति देवा मंगलम गणेशम् मम गम 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 गसा गण मदन मदन मद मग रे 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 तू ही आदि तू ही है अंत देवा महिमा तेरी अनंत तू ही आदि तू ही है अंत देवा महिमा तेरी अनंत गजाननं भूतगणादि सेवितं उमासुतं शोक विनाशकारकं मंगलम गणेशा देवा हो देवा गणपति देवा मंगलम गणेशम् देवा हो देवा गणपति देवा मंगलम गणेशम् विघ्न विनाशक जन सुखदायक विघ्न विनाशक जन सुखदायक मंगलम गणेशा देवा हो देवा गणपति देवा मंगलम गणेशम् देवा हो देवा गणपति देवा मंगलम गणेशम् निसा निसा सनि दम मद मगम सागनि सगा तू ही शक्ति तू ही विधान देवा तू ही वेद पुराण तू ही शक्ति तू ही विधान देवा तू ही वेद पुराण गजाननं भूतगणादि सेवितं उमासुतं शोक विनाशकारकं मंगलम गणेशा देवा हो देवा गणपति देवा मंगलम गणेशा सगनि मद विघ्न विनाशक जन सुखदायक मंगलम गणेशा देवा हो देवा गणपति देवा मंगलम गणेशम् देवा हो देवा गणपति देवा मंगलम गणेशम् देवा हो देवा गणपति देवा मंगलम गणेशम् देवा हो देवा गणपति देवा देवा हो देवा गणपति देवा मंगलम गणेशम्
Go Sri Gajanan Swami ki jai. Victory to Lord Ganesh, the omnipotent, the one who gives wisdom. After salutations and worship to Lord Ganesh, then we go into Swagatam. Swagatam is an invocational dance that welcomes all the devatas and the entire creation to come to this spot, this most holy spot, where this Krishna Lila celebration is taking place. So we present Swagatam.
स्वागत करते हम, स्वागत करते हम, दिल से सबका स्वागत हम करते हैं।
स्वागत करते हम, स्वागत करते हम, दिल से सबका स्वागत हम करते हैं। स्वागत करते हम, स्वागत करते हम, दिल से सबका स्वागत हम करते हैं। देव पधारे अतिथि रूप में, महक उठी खुशबू फिजाओं में।
देव पधारे अतिथि रूप में, महक उठी खुशबू फिजाओं में।
मिलके करे सबका दिल से स्वागत, दिल से प्रेम यहाँ पर बरस रहा है, आप आए तो बहारें आ गई।
प्रेम यहाँ पर बरस रहा है, आप आए तो बहार आ गई।
मिलके करे सबका दिल से स्वागत, दिल से
स्वागत करते हम,
Devotees, we have welcomed Lord Ganesh, and through the medium of dance, beautifully done, we have invoked all the Devis and the Devatas. The entire creation is invited to come to this spot and gather to witness this miraculous event. But before we proceed further, I am indeed happy, and it's a great pleasure for me to introduce to you a gentleman world-renowned. He is a writer, a philosopher, an ex-UN diplomat. He is the brother of the famous Vidya Naipal. He is none other than Mr. Balakrishna Naipal, who we are lucky for him to be with us today. Resides in Canada, but he was born and bred in Chaguanas, right here with us. He is here to launch his latest novel, Sangam, and as the note said, he is delighted to be here with us today in Monclesa Road, Kampu, to join with us in Krishna Lila celebration. Mr. Balakrishna Naipal.
Namaskar Sitaram. I'm so glad to be here, so close to my home, Montrose, and in many ways, the open fields take me back to a very special time in my life when Ram Leela was so precious to us. This is the first time I will be seeing Krishna Leela, or as it's more well known as Ras Leela. Now the word Ras itself has a very large connotation in that, first of all, Ras or Ras comes from the Sanskrit word which means juice. It also means sweetness. And when you compile these two together, you have the word emotion. So sweetness, juice, emotions, when you look at that in conjunction, sweet emotions, or what sweetens the heart in order to see the very face of Krishna. Leela, on the other hand, has also many different variations according to Monia Williams' Dictionary of Sanskrit. But the two most important meanings we have are action or play. Now when you combine these two words, action and play, sweetness and emotions, there's a very big word comes out of that. And I would like to put it in context as a play of consciousness. And in order to really see Krishna in that context, we really have to go back to the very creation in terms of Krishna's appearance in Vrindavan, or Mathura really. Krishna was born in a jail. And what does that really mean in terms of the Leela? For me, conceptually, the world of Krishna at that particular time, the circumstances which brought his being into our midst was one of imprisonment. We have the world here as a prison, and Krishna is here to take us out of that prison. But how would he do that? And this is where the Leela comes into place. Because the Leela in itself, as I say, is a play of consciousness. But Krishna doesn't want to model us with all the hardships we have already been piled upon us. He is more subtle than that. He said, rather than fighting a battle, which later he urges Arjuna to do, rather than fighting a battle, taking up arms and engulfing the entire world into a war, come to me with love. The sweetness, only when you know the sweetness of myself, the sweetness which the gopis themselves knew and felt and touched, only then can you be able to come out of this prison. Only then can you resolve all the differences in the world. So the Leela in this sense is playing out that sense of consciousness, is going back deep into the very heart center, that world which even Adi Shankara talks about in the Madhu Ashtakam, Madhukam Ashtakam. Later on, I want to ask my wife to sing that for you. We work as a partner, and in this sense, she has the voice to sing. I try to speak, although I keep to the world of writing. I want to read for you very briefly a passage from the Bhagavatam, and it refers to that time when Uddhava meets with the gopis who had been separated from Krishna because at the age of 8, and this is important too, at the age of 8, Krishna leaves Vrindavan to go to Mathura, the place where he had born, that prison where his mom and his dad were still kept. And he goes there not just to free his mother and father, but he goes there to free all of us. As I said earlier, that prison where Krishna was born is our circumstances. So long as we have forgotten ourselves, we become a prison. We put ourselves in that prison. So this idea of playing out that consciousness, rising up to the very neatness of Sri Krishna in our heart center, that is the journey, that is the purpose of our being. So Uddhava, who was a very personal friend of Krishna, he was a schoolboy friend of Krishna, he had stayed back in Vrindavan when Krishna had gone on to first Mathura and then on to his friends, his family in northern India, where we hear about this whole idea of the Bhagavad Gita as recited on the fields of Kurukshetra. So Uddhava, there would be a time when Krishna will return to, he would return to Vrindavan. And in this return, we'll hear what Krishna has to say about what Uddhava has to say about his own Gita, which is referred to in the Bhagavatam as the Uddhava Gita. So there's this little excerpt which I've taken from the Bhagavatam, the little discussion between Uddhava and the gopis. And it's a very short discussion, but it's actually, it's sort of framed by this question about who are the gopis. And here we are told by Uddhavas that the gopis were those great yogis who, because of their deep meditation and who had come to know Krishna in the heart, that was their gift to be with Krishna in Vrindavan Gokul, in that higher region, higher than even where Vishnu resides. And although they had lived among him, they were now given the pleasure to come down to Vrindavan and meet with Krishna and associate with him as the children of that times did. So we have suddenly, in the middle of the night, Sri Krishna, at 7 years of age, he picks up his flute and he begins to play the real Leela. And here, suddenly, all the cowherd girls, they all began to come to Krishna. And in coming to Krishna, that is referred to as the first Leela. But as I said, the Leela really starts in prison. And as they come here, Krishna had promised them that they would spend one night, that is a night of Brahma, which represents 4.36 billion years. So in that one night, this is the Leela, the first Leela, where all the gopis come and they dance with him. And they dance in that circle. That circle itself is a churning. The churning of what? The churning of the heart, by which you would have now the real emotions, that real nectar, the nectar of devotion, the real juice, that rus, where they would come, take turns, and go round and round and round until they realize themselves. So that this Leela, though it is really a dance of sort, but it's a dance of consciousness. And in that consciousness, this is how we come to know Sri Krishna. But even though they had stayed with Krishna from the time of his arrival in Vrindavan, and then on before he leaves to go to Mathura, there's this longing. They wonder why their beloved Krishna has left them. And so they began to speak with Uddhava. And this is what he says. This is what is said from the Srimad Bhagavatam. Krishna is the ideal lover, householder and sannyasin. Even while being detached, shows the world that true love is unconditional. When Radha and the gopis want to know why Krishna can't meet them, just once Uddhava said, the Lord knows that distance will make you love him with more intensity. And that is the secret to reach him, to remember him constantly. Worldly people find it difficult to understand a love so pure that it wants nothing except nothing. Krishna thus reveals what this aspect of love is, which is shown in Adi Shankara's Madhura Ashtakam. Here I want to read to you the meaning of it, but then my dear wife will sing it for you. I cannot sing. She has the voice for singing. So it says in the first stanza of it, your lips are so sweet and charming. Your face is sweet and charming. Your eyes are sweet and charming. And your laughter is sweet and charming. Krishna, your heart is sweet and charming. And your going is sweet and charming. Everything about you is sweet and charming. O Krishna, such sweetness that you are. O Krishna, your speech is sweet and charming. Your nature is sweet and charming. Your garments are sweet and charming. Your bent posture is sweet and charming. Your walking is sweet and charming. Your creation of confusion is sweet and charming. Everything about you is sweet and charming. O Lord, sweetness, Lord of sweetness. Your creation is sweet and charming. Your confusion is sweet and charming. Why confusion? We live in a confused world when we only see the shadow aspects of the Lord. When we miss him in our hearts, the world is confused. We too are confused. O Krishna, your flute is sweet and charming. Your flowers with pollen are sweet and charming. Your hands are sweet and charming. And your feet are sweet and charming. Why his feet are sweet? We can understand his flute is sweet and charming. Why is his feet sweet and charming? I guess we'll see that later on, what that means in the real dance that we will be privileged to see later on. O Krishna, your dance is sweet and charming, and your friendship is sweet and charming. Everything about you is sweet and charming, O Lord of sweetness. Krishna, your singing is sweet and charming. Your drinking is sweet and charming. Your eating is sweet and charming. Your sleeping is sweet and charming. Oh, your form, your sweet form, that's so charming. I don't want to go on with this anymore further. You will get the drift of it. You already got the drift of it. But the idea is, in order to enter into the Leela, in order to enter into the Leela, we have to understand that Krishna came into this world, a very confused world, a very harsh world, not much different to what our world is today, where children are killed, where the world is divided up. Sometimes we hear about the word cabal, and we think it only applies to Trinidad. But the corporate world is one of cabal, and this cabal is what Krishna was intent on getting rid of. But it will never get rid of until we take the opportunity and enter into his Leela, enter into his heart, enter into our own heart, meditate on him. And by meditating on him, we will be able to see him. And once we see him, all our difficulties are gone. Jai Shri Krishna.
Listen. I was only asked 5 minutes, 10 minutes ago to sing, so I have a little bit of a sore throat, so please bear with me. Adharam madhuram varanam madhuram nayanam madhuram hasitam madhuram adharam madhuram varanam madhuram hridayam madhuram Jai Shri Krishna.
Just a conclusion to all of this. This particular Ashtakam was written by Sri Adi Shankara. And he actually was so moved from reading the Srimad Bhagavatam, the discussion between Uddhav and the Gopikas. He was so moved by that he decided to write this. The important thing about this, that Uddhava, having met with the Gopikas and so moved by their desire for reunion with Krishna, he offers to take them back to Mathura, but they refused. This is something that Uddhava could not understand. But after they began to tell how embedded Krishna is in their hearts, not only in their hearts, but he said, look here, look in that rose, don't you see Krishna there? Look at the grass, look at the sky, look at each one of us. Everywhere you turn, everywhere you look, Krishna is there. We don't need to go there. We just have to go reside in our hearts. Go to your hearts, meditate on him, and there you will find everything you ever want to know, everything you want to feel, everything you want to listen to, everything about being alive. And having said that, would have bowed to their feet and said, Jai Sri Krishna, Jai Sri Krishna, Jai Sri Krishna.
Holy Sri Krishna Bhagwan Ki Jai. Devotees, truly inspirational words from Mr. Naipal, and that wonderful astuti depicting the transcendental qualities of Bhagwan Sri Krishna. To you and your companion, we say thank you very much for complimenting our Krishna Leela. And now we go into Bhagavad Sumiran.
से बोलो श्री कृष्ण भगवान की जय. Let us once again concentrate on that most divine, blissful form of Bhagwan Krishna. Om Riddhi Siddhi Data Siddhi Sadana Varanan Varana Sumiro Barambar मदन कदन की लाल को गणपति कृपा निधान ज्ञान खानी आनंद भवना देहु मोहि वरदान वरनो भाष भगवता जय शिव आनंद कंद भूतनाथ भव भय हरण भक्ति विषय निर्वन गौरवरन मंगल करन हे ब्रज चंद्र मुकुंद ब्रजभूषण दूषण हरना कातहु भव भयपन चरण शरण ले अन करा जय 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 जगदीश श्वेत शेष महेश अज महिमा अमित अभव वेर बेर जानत नहिया देहि मोहि वरदान राधा वर यह वर सदा प्रेम भरी मुस्कान नित चित में कतहा कत रहे मोहि चाहिए कछु नाही और वस्तु प्रभु जात की बस ही रहे मन माही यहाँ बाकी जाकी सदा लिए लकुतिया हाथ ज्ञान की पीछे फिरत ग्वाल बाल लिए साथ मोर मुकुट सिर पर धरी कर मुरली उर्मान शेष मुकुट कै पीत पता याच बिसो नंदलाल बसहु हृदय मम निष्विषा गुरुपद राज धर शीश काहू भगवत की कथा जो सुख देव मुनीश कभी प्ररिचित नृप अति सो प्रेम से बोलो श्री कृष्ण भगवान की जय.
बोलिए श्री कृष्ण भगवान की जय. Devotees, the stage is set now for us to commence Krishna Leela. Raja Ugrasen, who is the father of Kansa, he has been imprisoned by that very Kansa. And Kansa has assumed the throne. And an era of tyranny is happening in the world. Kansa, he is enjoying all the pleasures of being a king. So, as will be depicted on stage, Kansa Raja enjoying himself as king of Mathura.
मेरे ढोलना सुन, मेरे प्यार की धुन, मेरे ढोलना सुन। मेरे ढोलना सुन, मेरे प्यार की धुन, मेरे ढोलना सुन, मेरी चाहती हो फिजा में बहेगी, जिंदा मेरे ढोलना सुन, मेरे प्यार की धुन, मेरे ढोलना साथी साथी मरती भी तुझको चाहेगा दिल, तुझे ही बेचैनियों में आएगा दिल। साथी मरती भी तुझको चाहेगा दिल, तुझे ही बेचैनियों में आएगा दिल। मेरे गीतों के साए में तेरी आहटों की खुशबू है, तेरे बगैर क्या जीना, मेरे रोम रोम में तू है, मेरी चूड़ियों की खनखन से तेरी सराहें आती है, ये दूरियां हमेशा ही नज़दीक हमको लाती है।
धनी धनी सगमा मदनी
This is the mood of Raja Chand. She's enjoying the pleasures of the world.